diving, you are diving, you are doing very good from the beginning, but you're diving. Level it, level it.
I'm leveling.
Good, excellent. Keep the turn going. Very good, very good. You are not gonna need the beginner mode for too long. Okay, now hit the panic button. Perfect, take it off panic.
Okay.
Manual mode, keep the turn going. Start losing altitude so we can bring it in for the landing. That's gonna be a little tricky.
Okay,
Oh, not the dip, not the dip.
Sorry. Wait, hon, I gotta lower the speed.
Start slowing down, yeah.
I am.
Okay. And lose altitude by circling. Circle,
Oh, sorry.
circle, good. Now, turn right and come straight in. Straight in,
Alright, you gotta watch out.
straight in. Kurt, move, get out of there. Straight in, straight towards me. Lower altitude. Okay, I'm gonna make a pass, go around, turn right. Altitude and go around. Okay, take it all the way to the end right there. No, go back. Turn right. And line it up perfectly after this. Lower. Okay, turn around, you're gonna miss this one. Turn around. Again. Okay, that's a speed. Keep that speed.
Same speed?
Same speed. Lower. Now, turn right. And come to me. Lower the speed. You're not gonna make it. Again, turn around. Okay, that's the speed you want. Okay, go further up. No, I'm sorry, further down. Down range, not up or down range. There you go. And take it easy. Good. Turn left. Right is fine. Okay. Lower altitude. Throttle back.
Watch out.
Throttle back. Don't worry about me. Throttle back. Throttle off. Good.
Yes!
That's it.